Morning. Morning. Okay. Alright, what are we looking at? Okay, so we're looking to take short. To go short today. Because of this. So, I don't think we're going to be getting a trade at the very start here. Sorry, this needs to be. So this is down, so we're looking for sells today. So we need to wait for this to start pointing down. Oh man. Tired. Alright, so today we have Sour Patch Kids Blue Raspberry Ghost. It wouldn't be a true and authentic live stream if I didn't tell you what I was drinking. it's a slow start today. We'll probably get a look or two. Kind of cold in here. You know what? I think I actually want to move these top right quarter here. That's fine right there. That's fine. Hmm. Okay, so we got some news today. 8. Okay, we're starting to push down on our 1 minute. Alright, I was keeping a close eye on that for a second there. If this candle had posted with this starting to bend down, then we would have went for a short trade. Now we did submit, I guess I submitted a ticket or message to TradeBlocker about suggestions of features that they should add. Let's see if they've responded. I can't remember what email I used. There it is. All right, let's see what they said. All right, well, they responded. Basically said, "Thank you for the suggestions. I will submit them to our development team for consideration." Two of those three suggestions, they honestly just have to have those options. So basically, an issue that we've had a couple times. Let's see, I'll actually pull up on the other screen here. So this is our chart on Trade Locker. We have some stuff on the side here. Basically our order window, I guess. So to make sure that our back testing doesn't take into account this spread. So to take that factor out, we just do a limit. We open our positions with a limit order, basically at the close of the candle that we're hopping in on. So basically the price has to move back a little bit before we get filled. And the way you have to do it in here is you have to push pending. You have to wait for the price to close where you want it, put it there, push sell, and then since my trade has two legs to it, I have to go back, push pending again, and then push sell. So, and it takes longer than I'd like it to, and I've missed getting filled on positions. And yesterday there was a really big trade we missed. Like it would have increased our account 2%, just that one leg. So we've missed a couple trades because we couldn't execute it fast enough. And then something else is if they could just have the option. Okay, well, let me explain this first. So I have two legs in my strategy. One of them has a take profit that's 100 ticks. The other one does not have a take profit. They both have the same stop loss. So we hit the take profit level. If we're going short, hit our take profit level here, and then on our second leg we move our stop loss to break even at our entry, which is fine, but it takes extra time to execute both of those trades. If I could just do that in one single trade and have this take profit level essentially be a half, like a partial take profit, if I could edit that, that would be so much easier in helping me execute these trades more efficiently. So those are two suggestions. The third one was just have a trade template, because if you're like me, if all of your trades are the same, 400 tick stop loss, 100 tick take profit, same size and whatnot, just have a template to where you can have that, and then just one click, boom, it executes all the parts of your trade just with one click, just because you've created a template. So I feel like all of those should be features that are, I don't know, should be available. Okay, we're really starting to push down. So we're maxed out on the downside here, still waiting for our 5 minute to start pushing down over here. And since we're already maxed out here, when this starts pushing down, this actually needs to pull back above the 20 before, and then back below before we hop back in. Latin. What up, Matt? How your day going? Pretty quiet so far. Haven't had any trade setups yet. Thanks for asking. Yeah, well, could be setting up to get a trade here pretty soon. We have news at 8 o'clock and at 8:30, and that's Mountain Time, so less than 10 minutes. We got some news we'll have to be aware about. Be aware of, rather. But yeah. Biggest thing we're looking at right now is just waiting for this to start moving down here. I was just actually talking about that, I think, just before you hopped on. But yeah, I actually submitted a message to TradeLocker about adding some features that would be very useful in helping execute these trades more efficiently. And they basically just said, well, thanks for the suggestions, we'll submit it to our development team for consideration. So hopefully they add that, because yeah, especially being able to have partial take profit levels and just being able to set those, I think that's just absolutely crucial. Yeah, our balance is the same this morning as it was after we weren't able to execute on that trade, because we haven't had any trades since then. In other news, so we are actually an official affiliate of GreenChart, which is this charting platform right here. So I'll probably be making a good number of videos just about GreenChart in general. So that's exciting. I think it'd be kind of fun to go through all of our indicators and just have a crash course, make a video about each one, which not only would be great for my subscribers and viewers and people who watch the videos, but it'd also be really good for me, because I haven't even seen half of these. Well, I've seen them, I just haven't actually clicked on them and see what they do, checked them out, so it could be fun. Here I am thinking we're starting to make our way down. This will start bending soon, but then we're getting a big green bar. Well, things are about to get shaken up by a red folder event at 8, so 2 minutes. Probably just gonna sit on our hands. Okay, 8 o'clock. Nothing crazy's happening yet. Hat. Now we're gonna wear a hat today. Okay, alright, we are starting to bend down here. So we need to be on high alert. Ooh, ATR is very, it's getting up there. Typically want to avoid taking trades if it's 2 or above. So if we keep moving down here, we're gonna get a sell opportunity as we pass through our 20 level, or intensity, trend intensity index. Could be getting a look here in a couple minutes. Just want this to keep pushing down. Okay, the thing that makes this setup a little, maybe a little riskier than normal is we're going to be fighting against our 200 moving average on our 5-minute chart. Hopefully we've broken through, and then it kind of ignores it. Haven't really had much reaction to it in quite a while. Okay, so we've broken through, so as long as that stays there, we're gonna go ahead and take a short trade. So I'm actually gonna pull this up so you can kind of see what I was saying earlier, where it takes, it's just not easy. It could be so much easier. So 30 seconds. So here's our level. So basically, right when that closes, we're going to try to, as quick as we can, put this right where the price closed at. Push sell, and then we need to do it again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, got it. Okay, so okay, so we just got filled. But yeah, if the price is moving pretty fast and just, it's not too uncommon that it's gonna, we're gonna miss our opportunity to actually get filled on that. This one not a problem because apparently it's just gonna go straight to our stop loss. I mean, we're halfway there. You're going the wrong way. Yeah, this is what I was worried about. This reaction to this 200 moving average. So hopefully it doesn't really want to bounce off of that. It keeps wanting to fight. So here's our first take profit level right here. Still pointing down. Hopefully that stays. Okay, that's still maxed out down there. breaking through this level again. Oh, almost got filled. Yeah, so there's an option to where I can push a partial close position right here. Kind of off to the side where you can't see. We're just looking for the price to just keep going just a little further. So close. This candle closing the way it is actually really good for our position. So broke through our 200 level, tried to push back through, failed. Oh, we just got filled. All right, let's move our stop loss to break even. There. It's actually 10 ticks below our break even here, just to give us a little bit of space. And yeah, I think we're in a really good position for this runner to keep going. If not, it's okay. Position ID. Why is it not showing my oh, that's why. Come on, keep going down. We want to let this runner run. We want a good runner today. Now here's what's kind of crazy, and this was actually to my benefit. So I set my my limit order on a trade yesterday. It got filled actually at a better price than what I had it set at, and that little difference in that slightly better price that I got was actually the difference between winning and losing that trade. Getting filled and getting stopped. So that was nice. Got lucky there. Okay, apparently my green chart just froze. Just refresh that, it should be fine. Interesting. There we go. Okay, I don't think that's... Okay, we just got closed out. Oh my gosh. So the reason why I'm annoyed is because I had my stop loss set at 10 ticks below, and we still ended up losing 0.1% on that. So we were up 43, and then we lost $12.80 on that. So now we're down from where we were when we should be breaking even. Ah, that's so annoying. I absolutely hate that. What can you do to prevent that? Is that just a thing that happens? Is your anyway. Well, we're still up for the day, so we're happy about that, but we're annoyed about how we got stopped out there. And then, of course, we start moving back down. Why do we keep freezing here? Were we frozen? Yeah, our feed on Green Chart keeps freezing. fine on Trade Locker. What is going on? Is it just gold? No, it's everything. I don't like that. All right, it's working. It's freezing again. What in the heck? Oh, come on. Why? It's like behind. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. This should be the exact same as this. Okay, it looks like it's all working now. Okay, looks like it's fine now. And right when I say that, it freezes again. Which is really annoying because we're actually getting set up for a trade here, and if I can't see what's going on... on, figure it out. Okay, looks like it's all synced up. Okay, alright, it looks like whatever issue they were having, they got it sorted out. And my camera broke. Jeez. I've hardly used this camera. And there's like a short in the cord. Like if you touch it or the cord, it just freezes and stops working. It's so finicky. Okay, we are getting set up for another short trade. Possibly. So if we start bending down here, we will be going short. See, and again, I'm getting everything teed up right now, putting in my stop loss, take profit levels. If I could just have a template where that was already done, that would be so good. And my camera broke again, because who knows why. Gosh. Like, all I'm doing is just resetting it in the software. Like, I'm not touching the actual camera. Like, I literally haven't even taken the protective film off of it. Gosh, I wonder if I could take it back and get it replaced. I mean, I've had it for a while, but I've hardly used it. At least I haven't done anything with it that should cause it to have issues. No way I have the original packaging for it. Oh my gosh, so dumb, dude. Deactivate, activate. So dumb. You have one job. So this breaking below the 20 level is very bearish. And looking for our 1 minute chart to follow.
Was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down. Below me, bully boys blow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not on greed, but he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. Our boats were lost, there were only 4, and still that whale did go. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The weatherman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Oh, this isn't what we wanted to see. 1 minute. 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 1 So here's our 4-hour chart. So clearly we have a pattern channel. So we're at the bottom of this channel now. And I imagine this probably makes its way back up to make new highest highs. So I didn't really love the idea of going only short today because we are bouncing off of this pretty much at the bottom of this channel. And we're in an overall uptrend. So yeah, it makes sense that we're gonna have a hard time finding short trades today, I think. We got one in though. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be hanging out down here for very long. So I find it unlikely that we probably get another look today, but who knows, we might. Okay. Starting to go down here, but this is now pointing up. Yeah, if we're just kind of hanging out in the middle of this channel here, that's, I mean, you can see we've been pretty stuck here. Oh, just saw a funny video. I don't even know what's going on, but let's see if you can see this. So there's a guy riding a horse, and boom! It's a road sign or something. Yeah, this is just a mess right here. Mess. Yeah, my personal sentiment would be bullish, but this is showing bearish. So, kind of a messy day. Wow, this is kind of wild. this is... just a mess right here. This is just a mess. And we froze again. Yeah, we're like 2.5 minutes behind right now for some reason. But why though? Gosh. Yeah, we are just missing chunks here. I mean, right here, some weirdness was happening down here. What the heck is going on? I'm not a fan. Yeah, well, don't think we're going to be getting any more trade opportunities until, for our trading session. This is just a mess. This is a mess. It's all just a mess. Okay, well, we got one good trade in today. So we'll just do a recap and call it. So we went short right here. Got filled right here. And then we got stopped out. No, we more went short right here. We just got filled a little bit later in this candle. So went short here. Got filled here. And then our runner went back and got taken out. And took out a chunk of our profits too, which is really annoying. But it is what it is. So we're up 0.336% today overall. You can see that right here. So this is a $10,000 account. So yeah, up a little bit today. So nothing crazy. Green day though, we're happy with a good green day. Well, we will be here tomorrow morning. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.